Oh, my baby! Papa, listen to her! Isn't this evidence enough? You've got to do something about this. She's into a word of Māori in her life. We sure as hell to teach her, and all of a sudden, she's speaking in her sleep. She's getting visits, and you know it.
Oh no, my daughters go up this mumbo jumbo crap. It'll serve them no good.
Mumbo jumbo, Papa, this is who we are. Stop trying to turn them into potatoes. They are Māori, we are Māori.
We didn't get to where we are now by speaking Maori hanging on the morrow. We got here because we learned to live in the Pākehā world. And look around you, Nat. Look around. We have everything we need. I can still send money back to us to pay the rates. We've got it all, baby.
No, we don't. We've lost the most important thing to us, our roots. You can't buy that.
That's enough. We've got too far to go backwards now. Our life is here. Stop taking for granted how good we have it. And you're not to discuss this with Kylie.
I don't have to. Clearly someone else already has. That's me. Is he the warrior woman? Ooh! Take on him, buddy.
Shut up, Peggy. They want everybody's.
I'll be back to summer body. And we know my cup. It was morning.
What do you mean your body? Don't you mean your
Forgive me, I was rushing this morning.
Hello? Who's dead? Passed away.
Mom? Yep. Yep. It'll be okay, Mom. Yes. We'll be back as soon as we can. I love you, Mom.
Who, baby? Who? It's okay. He was just coming to let you know that he's passed. We'll go come and see you all the way.
Yes, Mum.
nei te manua te huia. Hui nei tātai te rā nei. E taki ana nei te manua te tui. Tui nei tātai kia rātou mākuari ruati ki te pō. E taki ana nei te manua te pītamo tango. He tango ana te wairua te tangata. Aha pō wai. E kore tai o tēnei mea. Te aruha ki a tātai. Te aruha tētai ki tētai atu. E tau nei. E tangi nei. Ka puto e pā. Ka puto e rata e tō. Ka te pōtō tūpuna pare tū nei. Te ahuri mō wai o tō iwi. Te pātako kōrero o mātua tūpuna. Kua roa te were he kia nei tō rai. I te mai nui mo tō iwi. He kaha whānui ki te pai. He mata whiro ki te roa hāmi. He kai uriku kai moana. Tō nui, tō rahi, tō hera e te whatikura. Engari i ngā nei kua kore oha. Kua mātau o ki. E oki, taputa mai rai pā. E pako, e tama. O ki mai meria mai tō whānei ki tō tanga haka waiwai o mātua tūpuna. Kua haere taputi mai rā koutou ki te mai ki o koutou roimata. Me o koutou aruha. Rere te kirimate te pai mate. Tangi pai rā, e tangi. E te whānei pani no ki te kapua pai ni tēnei wā. E ai ki te whakatalaki, kia kaha, kia maia, kia mana anui. No rere hino ai te pari, tēnā koutou, tēnā rā koutou katoa.
Titiro kia whakapahu. Titiro, ko mūtono waha, ko mātou ture iru.
I know, Mama. How could this happen? You look so strong still.
Ko tōna manawa te mate. Ka mea mai ia, ko mama taku ma. Ka tahi au ka mea atu. Haere mai, me haere taua ki te tākuta. Kauri e ri pirari haere. Ka kiro ake. Nā. Koi nei te hō tana i koko māro.
Stubborn old bugger. You should have told me, Mom. Could have talked to him.
Papa, you were always supposed with your money. We didn't want to bother you. Anyway, if you didn't listen to me, why would you listen to you?
Yeah, I suppose.
My mom are so beautiful, son. Look at them getting to know their cousins, aunties and uncles. We've been dying to meet them, you know. But, you know what, son? Better late than never. Moko, he aha ka mai te. Tell me.
I know her. She comes in my dreams. She...
Oh, you lucky thing.
Lucky. Why?
That's your great-great-grandmother, Moko. Her name is Rowena. She chose you, Moko. She chose you.
Chose me. What for?
To receive your messages, Moko.
But why me?
Because you're special, my dear. You are special. Pako, did you know about this? You caught it all quick here, you? It's okay, Moko. You're home now. We'll find time to talk, eh?
Yes, I am. our granddad are brothers. Oh, that's so cool. You've never met any of us before. Are you serious? Oh, yeah. This is up there in New Zealand. Whoa, oh my gosh, there's so much to teach you. Oh, that would be wonderful. Oh my goodness! Who is that handsome boy? Him? Yeah. Oh, that's Stephen. He is yummy! Yes, and he's also your cousin. Shut up. Oh. What about it? Yep, cousin. You're so good looking. Nah, he's not your cousin. He's your nephew. Oh, never mind, cousin. You know what they say, you're only related from the waist up. Listen, number one, eh, cousin? You know it. You girls okay? Yes, Mum.
On the 2 days the family were at the Takahara, the girls experienced love, warmth, family, and each other. They experienced feelings that they had never experienced before. They saw their dad start to relax and reconnect with his home people and his land. Puck was beginning to think maybe he had made a mistake to make his family live solely in Pākehā Rua. But his internal struggle is having a huge effect. If he stays in Oz, he will continue to make good money and be able to provide the material things in life, but he has seen his girls from the essence of their culture.
Hey, Dad. We're going home now. I'm sorry to get around for you and Mom, but can't change what it's happened. I'm sorry I brought the girls back until now. I just got so caught up in the work and the money. Well, that's what I had to do. What I was thinking to do. Ara mai pāpō, e mōtia te ana taku i aku. Maku e mame te aki. Mā te wā pāpō. Mā te wā. You like me there?
I never felt like this before, Dad. Being here feels right. I've only been here for 2 days. And we're full of students.
What about us?
Yes, Dad, we go to a good school. We have good friends. And we have a really nice house. But this is home.
Papa, hoki mai son. Hoki mai. I can't bear the thought of not seeing you make the just you. Come back, please.
What do you reckon?
It's time. Let's do it.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay, koki mā tātou. Better get used to kid and tiro for those girls.
No, that. Just kidding. Yay.
Karana
Ah,